Hey there, word explorers, and welcome. Today, we are going on an incredible adventure to uncover a secret team of words in Arabic. And trust me, these aren't just any words. We're talking about 5 special nouns that have some amazing superpowers. So let's just dive right in. In Arabic, most words show their job in a sentence, like who's doing the action or what the action is happening to, by using these teeny tiny vowel marks. They're kind of like little secret codes that tell you what the word is up to. But there's this special group of 5 words, our Super 5, and they don't bother with those tiny little vowel marks. Nope, they have a much cooler, way bigger way to show off their power. Instead of using little sounds, they use entire letters. And this right here is the big secret. See, normal words, they just change those tiny vowel marks. But our Super 5, oh no, they completely transform by swapping out whole letters. We're talking about their awesome power letters, Wal, Alif, and Ya. I mean, how cool is that? So you're probably wondering, who are these mysterious words? Well, it's time to meet the team. There are 5 of them, and each one is a super important player in the Arabic language. Let's get to know them one by one. First up, we have abun, which means father, a super important word and the very first member of our incredible team. Next up, let's meet our next hero, akhun. This one means brother, another key family member joining the squad. Then there's hamun. This word is for a relative in-law, like a father-in-law or a brother-in-law. This one is all about connecting families. Okay, here's a really fun one, fu, and it means mouse. It's the only body part on the whole team. And believe me, it has a very special secret that we're going to learn about in just a little bit. And finally, we have the leader of the team, du. This word is kind of like a special title. It means the one with, or the owner of, something really amazing, like the one with knowledge, or the one with a kind heart. All right, now for the really awesome part. Let's actually see how they use these letter powers to change their form depending on their job in a sentence. Are you ready to see the magic happen? Okay, so when one of our Super 5 is the hero of the sentence, the one doing all the action, it powers up with the letter wow. So abun becomes abu. It gets that cool oo sound at the end. But what if the word is the one the action is happening to? Well, then it transforms with the letter alif. So abun changes into aba. Do you hear that ah sound? That's the alif power kicking in. And last but not least, when the word owns something, it changes using the letter ya. Abun becomes abi, giving it a really sharp e sound. So it goes from abu to aba to abi. So cool. But hold on a second. These supernouns can't just use their powers whenever they feel like it. No way. They're a special team, and that means they have to follow 4 secret rules to activate their amazing letter-changing powers. So listen up. Here are the 4 secret rules to unlock their power. First, they have to be connected to another word. Second, that other word can't be my. Third, they have to be singular, just talking about one thing. And fourth, they have to be in their regular original form, not some special tiny version. You follow all 4 of those, and bam, you unlock their superpower. And get this, 2 of our heroes have their own extra special rules on top of that. For fu, the mouth, to power up, the letter M from its original form has to magically disappear. And for du, it can only use its power when it truly means owner of something awesome. So there you have it. Now you know the secret of the Super 5 nouns and their special letter powers. You know who they are, you know how they transform, and you know the secret rules they have to follow. So, what do we do now? Well, a fantastic place to start your detective work is in the Quran and Surah Yusuf. Seriously, the story of Prophet Yusuf is just packed with examples of father and brother using their awesome letter powers. You'll see them as Abu, Abba, Abi, and so much more. So, are you ready to become a word detective? Go on, explore Surah Yusuf and see if you can spot the Super 5 in action. And for more really fun grammar adventures just like this one, make sure you subscribe to Tafheem-E-Nahw.